Welcome to this face relaxation meditation. This session is for you if you want to become more aware of your face, if you want to release tension in your jaw, forehead, or around your eyes, or if you just need a quiet moment for yourself. You don't need to achieve anything here, nor do you have to change anything. You can just arrive now. This meditation can also be a nice preparation for face yoga, but it can also stand on its own as a little break to calm your nervous system and to rebuild more connection to your face and to yourself. Find your comfortable position now. You can sit or lie down. The only important thing is that your body feels as supported as possible for the next few minutes. Let your hands rest loosely. Your shoulders can sink, your face can soften. If it feels good, close your eyes or let your gaze fall softly downward. Now take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale. And a third time, deep breath in and slowly out. Feel your body arriving more and more in this moment. You don't have to hold on to anything now. You don't have to control anything. You can just detach yourself from everyday life for a moment. Now let your breath continue to flow in its own rhythm. Not particularly deep, not particularly perfect, just completely natural. Maybe you feel your chest rising and falling. Maybe you feel your belly. Maybe you just feel that you are breathing. And that is exactly enough. Now slowly bring your attention to your face. First, feel into the surface of your face. The skin on your forehead, the skin on your temples, the skin around your eyes. Notice where your face begins and where the space around you begins. Maybe you feel the air on your skin. Maybe a slight tingling. Maybe warmth. Maybe not much at all at first, and everything is right. Move your attention further to your cheeks. Feel the right cheek, the left cheek. Notice if both sides feel the same, or if one side is more awake, heavier, fuller, or more tense. You don't have to judge this. You just observe. Feel your nose, the bridge of your nose, the tip of your nose, and the area around your nostrils. Feel the air flowing in and out through your nose. Maybe the air is slightly cooler when you inhale and slightly warmer when you exhale. Stay right there for a few breaths. With your breath, with your face, with this moment. Now direct your attention to your mouth. Feel your upper lip, your lower lip, the area around the corners of your mouth. Maybe you have more tension here than you thought. Maybe your lips are slightly pressed together. Maybe your mouth cavity is tight. Allow your lips to soften. Release the pressure between your upper and lower lip. Let the corners of your mouth become heavy and relaxed. Don't pull them up. Don't pull them down. Just let go. Now feel your tongue. Maybe it's resting on the roof of your mouth. Maybe it's pressing against your teeth. Maybe it's tense without you noticing. Let your tongue rest soft and wide in your mouth. The jaw can release slightly. Maybe a small space is created between the rows of teeth. You don't necessarily have to open your mouth, but inner space can be created. Inhale. And with the exhale, the jaw softens a little bit more. Inhale once more. And exhale. Let the lower jaw become heavier. Now feel your jaw joints, right and left in front of the ears. Maybe there is pressure there, maybe warmth, maybe a little restlessness. Notice it without working against it. Imagine your jaw didn't have to hold anything for a moment. No conversation, no expression, no tension, no control. Only peace. Let this peace slowly radiate into your cheeks. The cheeks can become heavier. The muscles can sink. Your face doesn't have to look awake. It can just relax. Now feel the center of your face. The area under your eyes, the upper cheeks, the nasolabial region. Not to correct anything, not to analyze anything, but to build connection. Your face is not just expression, it is also perception, it is sensation. It is a part of you that reacts all day long to thoughts, to people, to tension, to joy, to concentration, to stress. And right now, your face is allowed not to react for a moment. It can just be. Now direct your attention to your eyes. Feel your eyelids, upper lids, lower lids. Feel the eyes themselves resting in the eye sockets. You don't have to squeeze your eyes shut. Let the lids rest softly on each other. The eyes can sink inward. They don't have to focus on anything, read anything, check anything, search for anything. Imagine your eyes floating softly and quietly in their sockets. The small muscles around the eyes can let go. Maybe something is moving inside. Maybe the eyes want to wander under the lids. That's okay. Give them space. Feel the area under your eyes. Not critically, not comparatively, but kindly. This area can soften. The skin can soften. The muscles underneath can soften. With each exhale, a little more space is created around your eyes. Inhale. And exhale. Soft eyes. Inhale. And exhale. Quiet gaze, even when the eyes are closed. Now direct your attention to your eyebrows. Feel the area between your eyebrows. Maybe concentration sits here, maybe worry, maybe a habitual expression. You don't have to push it away, you can just notice it. Ah, I'm holding something here. And then you invite this area to soften. The space between the eyebrows can smooth out, not through effort, but through letting go. Imagine the skin between your eyebrows becoming wide. The muscles underneath soften. The forehead can open up. Now move your attention across the entire forehead, from the center to the right, from the center to the left, all the way to the temples. Feel if the forehead is tense anywhere, if you are raising it unconsciously, if you are furrowing it, or if it is already becoming quieter. Let the forehead become heavy and smooth, like a calm water surface. For a moment, imagine your face is like a still lake. Every facial expression, every thought, every emotion, every little tension is like a gust of wind creating ripples on the surface. And you don't have to stop these ripples. You just have to notice them. When a thought comes, it is a ripple. When a feeling comes, it is a ripple. If your face wants to react, that too is just a ripple. You observe, and the surface can slowly become calm again. The face can become quieter, not rigid, not frozen, but alive and calm. Now perceive your face, forehead, eyes, cheeks, nose, mouth, jaw, chin. Feel your face as a whole. Maybe it feels different on one side than on the other. Maybe there are areas that are lighter, or areas that seem even heavier. All of that is allowed to be. And now imagine a small, gentle point of light appears on your face. Maybe golden, maybe blue, or simply warm and friendly. This light is not pressure, it is just an image, an invitation to let go. Imagine this point of light moving slowly across your forehead, very gently. It takes with it what you no longer need to hold on to: tension, heaviness, remnants of thoughts, the dust of the day. With each breath, the forehead becomes a little clearer, a little lighter. The point of light moves on to the eyebrows, across the area between the eyebrows, across the temples. Everything that is tight there can soften. Then the light slowly wanders around your eyes, over the eyelids, under the eyes, to the outer corners of the eyes. Don't pull, don't change, just soothe. The eyes can rest. The gaze can soften inward. The point of light continues to wander across the bridge of your nose, to your cheeks, over the right cheek, over the left cheek. Imagine a gentle feeling of warmth, space, or lightness spreading there. Maybe you feel a tingling, maybe simply peace, maybe just the breath. Then the light wanders to your mouth, over the lips, to the corners of the mouth, to the area under the nose. Everything you don't have to say today can rest. Everything you have held together can release. The mouth can soften. The tongue can be soft. The jaw can be soft. Now the light wanders to your chin, to your jawbone, to the two jaw joints. Let the jaw become heavier once more. Inhale and out. Feel the front of your neck, the throat area, the area where words are created. Maybe something can soften here too. You don't have to explain anything now, achieve anything, prove anything. You are here, and that is enough. Now feel the back of your neck, the transition from the head to the shoulders. Let the shoulders sink. Maybe a millimeter, maybe more. With each exhale, the head can become heavier. The neck longer, the shoulders wider. Now imagine this light moving not only across your face, but also gently inward. Through the skin, through the muscles, down to the facial bones. You feel your face from the inside, the structure, the depth, the connection to your head. And then imagine how the space in your head also becomes quieter, not empty, not perfectly still, but wider, clearer, less tight. Thoughts may come and they may move on. You don't have to follow them. Always return to your breath and to your face. Inhale. Exhale. Now let the image of the light slowly grow larger. It spreads around your face like a calm, wide space. You don't have to make yourself small. You don't have to contract. You can take up the space that belongs to you. Quietly, naturally, without pressure. Feel how your face not only relaxes inward, but also gains more presence outward again. Soft and clear, calm and awake. Maybe you repeat internally, I can let go. I can soften. I can take up the space that belongs to me. Now gently gather this light once more in your heart space. Not as a big gesture, very quietly. Imagine everything you no longer need can sink down from there. Through the chest, through the belly, through the pelvis, through the legs, into the ground beneath you. The earth supports, the ground supports. You don't have to hold it any longer. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a brief moment, and slowly breathe out again. Once more, deep breath in, hold briefly, and exhale. One last time, deep breath in, and with the exhale, let everything sink. Now stay in this silence for a few breaths. Feel into your face. And if you like, now very gently move your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders a little bit. Keep your face soft while doing so. And when you are ready, very slowly open your eyes. Come back into the room, clear, with a soft face and a conscious sense of yourself. Take this feeling with you into the day or into your face yoga practice. Not with pressure, but with connection, with peace, and above all, with kindness toward yourself.